Today, we're diving into the VoltEdge TX50 headset, designed for Xbox One and PC gaming. I recently got my hands on the black variant with eye-catching green accents, and it comes brand new in the box, complete with all the relevant accessories. First off, let's talk aesthetics. The black with green accents gives it a sleek and stylish look, perfect for adult gamers who appreciate a bit of flair. The over-ear form factor ensures a comfortable fit during those extended gaming sessions. Now, let's touch on connectivity. This headset operates on a wired connection, which can be a plus for those who prioritize stability and don't want to worry about battery life. The wired setup also makes it versatile for both Xbox One and PC use, providing a seamless gaming experience across platforms. The age range specified is for adults, indicating that this headset is likely designed with mature gamers in mind. This could mean a focus on comfort, durability, and performance. Unfortunately, the provided information doesn't go into technical details, such as sound quality, microphone performance, or additional features. These aspects are crucial in evaluating the overall gaming experience, so it would be great to have more insights into these areas. In conclusion, the VoltEdge TX50 headset appears to be a promising option for gamers who value style and stability. However, to make an informed decision, it would be beneficial to delve deeper into its audio quality, microphone capabilities, and any unique features it brings to the table. If you're in the market for a new gaming headset, this review aims to provide a starting point for your research. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.